Throughout our 100-year history, we at Citizen have devoted ourselves to making watches for people, citizens, all around the world. Thinner, smaller, tougher, more beautiful, more accurate. What can we do right now to make an even better watch? That's a question we never stop asking ourselves. How can we create the ideal watch? At Citizen, we design all our watches from scratch, because if you want to make watches that people will love, you've got to start from a blank canvas. How can we make a more accurate watch? The answer lies in the individual components. At Citizen, we make all the parts for our watches ourselves: coils, screws, gears, and cases. More than that, we even make the machines that make the parts. It's all so that we can make better watches for people all around the world. That is why Citizen is a true manufacturer. How can we make a more beautiful watch? Citizen watches are created by people and machines working in concert. Machines can craft the many parts of a watch with a speed and precision beyond human capacity. At the same time, there are also things that only people can do. At Citizen, we have technically expert professional craftspeople, known as Meisters, who hand-assemble our watches, breathing life into each and every one of them. Technology and technique. It is through their fusion that we will continue to shape the watch's future. What can we achieve right now through process improvement? What can we achieve right now through ingenuity? What can we achieve right now through bold experimentation? We are inventors. We are revolutionaries. We believe in the possibilities of manufacture, and with our passion for craftsmanship and our tireless curiosity, we are always asking ourselves, what can we do right now? There are no limits to where that is going to take us. Today, tomorrow, for the next 100 years. For as long as we are Citizen.